Okay, let's talk closets. A year ago, I had one of the most tragic builder-grade closets you've ever seen. You know the type, with the wobbly wire shelves that bend if you put more than 2 sweaters on them? Yeah, I hated it, and it's what was in the house when we moved in. So I thought that I could fix it by kind of ripping out a few of the shelves, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. But I also didn't want to just invest a ton of money into one of those full closet systems because I didn't know the layout that I wanted yet. If you're new here, I am Kristen, the Creative Peacock, and thanks for coming along in this crazy journey with me. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back to my chaotic craziness. I love doing all things DIY, whether it be renovating a house, making something fashionable, repurposing something, or just crafting. I decided I couldn't live with it anymore, so I ripped some of them out and found a dresser on Facebook Marketplace. That gave me a little bit of relief, but let's be honest, it was just a band-aid. For the entire year, I lived with this half-done, semi-functional closet. Every time I opened the door, it mocked me. As you can see, it gave me a little bit more room, but I had to rip all of the shelving out, then remove all of those little nail things, and then patch them all, which is a pain in the butt. And I really wanted my closet to be very personal and inspirational for me because this is where I get ready. This is where I get creative. I love fashion. I love clothes. So I really wanted this to be homey and a place that I felt like I wanted to reach for clothes and put outfits together and have fun with it. Fast forward a year later, finally the inspiration struck. I found an affordable shelving unit on Amazon that fit perfectly. So, step 1, out went the last of the wire shelves. I did keep one, and I'll show you that one. Step 2, I wrangled the shelving unit into place. Let me tell you, I'm not a professional carpenter, but if I can do this, so can you. This is a 2-part closet that you build together, but it's really nice because it has drawers. It actually has a door, and I left the door off because I wanted to put baskets in where, so it is semi-customizable. But as you can see, again, before you even get started, you have to remove all those stupid nails and patch the walls because there's no really easy way to get this out. I just can't believe that this is the only option that they have nowadays. I don't know who uses them. If you like them, I'm sorry to offend you, but I despise wire shelving, like so much so. It reminds me of, I think it's the movie, Mummy Dearest, when she's like, no wire hangers. Well, I'm like, no wire hangers or shelving in the closets. I think I've redone most of them in my house. This does take a lot of time, and I opted not to paint my walls after I spackled them because I'm not really sure what I wanted to do, and 90% of the walls are already covered with my clothes because I have so much. So maybe before we move out and I remove all my clothes, I'll have to figure out something. But for now, I'm just going the way it is because you don't really see much. I organized everything so it finally felt intentional. No more shoes stacked in random piles or jeans sliding off the shelves. Like, everything has a home, which makes putting my clothes away so much easier. Like, I don't have to cram them into a shelf or drawer or have my clothes hanging so tight together that I cannot even see what I have in my closet. In order to do this, I did have to purge a lot, but that's okay because I had a lot to purge. I didn't realize it, but if you don't go through your closet every once in a while, tip, you really should, because I had stuff that didn't fit and I had hoped one day to fit back into it, but it's out of style now, so even if I fit into it, I probably wouldn't wear it. So yeah, time to make a trip to a donation center and get rid of some clothes. I did sell some on Facebook Marketplace because some even had tags, original tags on them, which is sad, but it is what it is. I got these rods also. They're like industrial rods. They are metal, and I got them off of Amazon. It's a 2-part, but I didn't want, they're kind of like floating shelves because I wasn't using wall to wall to be able to put a full like hanging rack. So I have that space right there that's all blank, and I needed to hang more pants, skirts, and blazers. So I just mounted this to the wall, and it does come with anchors, but I always use my own anchors because they're the only ones I trust and I know that they work. They've never failed me, and they're so easy to go in and work with. I will link them below for you too. Putting this together was pretty easy. I did assemble some of it right in my closet, and then some of the other larger pieces I did out in bigger areas like my living room, and then put it all together at the end. But it is pretty self-explanatory, easy to do, and comes with directions. Comes with all the tools itself too. So any DIYer could do it. And even if you're not a DIYer, give it a go. Who knows? You might surprise yourself. Here it is, my finished closet. Honestly, it looks like a totally different space. My best tip if you're working on your own closet, don't feel like you need to buy a $2,000 closet system. You can mix affordable pieces, my Facebook Marketplace dresser and this Amazon unit, and you still get that high-end look without high-end prices, and it's personalized. So what do you think? Is it worth waiting a year to finish? Let me know in the comments if you would tackle your closet like this, or if you're still living with those builder grade wire shelves. And don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly DIY projects and homemakers. Until next time, y'all, have fun.